17 years after Get a Splash called it quits, the Inner City's signature free concert is staging a comeback.
Get a Splash back in the day. Thousands of inner city residents checking out their hottest acts of the day from 1989 when it started to 1996 when organizers could no longer shoulder the cost of a big free concert. PJ, Eddie and Bruce on hand for the last lick.
Hard to say goodbye. The fact that Shocking Vibes started in Craigtown, we wanted to give back to the community, and the only way we looked at it is give them back what our core business is, which is music.
Dennis Brown and Maxi Priest did turns, but Get a Splash always a hive for the big B's of dancehall. DJs like Bounty Killer and a perennial Get a Splash headliner and Shocking Vibes star Beenie Man.
All of them seen this as the ultimate concert before Sting.
Or Poor People concert.
Poor People concert.
Poor People show.
And not really in the concept of a Poor People show, but the only difference between it and a Sunfest or a Sunsplash or that type of thing, it was that the entrance was free. That was the only difference, but the production is great.
And it was a dancehall show.
And it was a dancehall show.
17 years later, Shocking Vibes boss Patrick Roberts is bringing back Get a Splash. It's still free, but he's brought on a sponsor with Cinco. So get ready for Boom Get a Splash.